In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell guest posts on your own website made on Wix. We'll be exploring all the essential steps you need to take to set up this service smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to wix.com. Once you're there, log into your account with your credentials. After logging in, you'll want to locate and click on Edit Site to access the website where you plan to sell guest posts. If you haven't yet established the infrastructure to manage payments and submissions, make sure you have either Wix Stores or Wix Forms installed on your site. These tools will help you keep track of transactions and submissions efficiently. Now, it's crucial to structure your site properly. Head over to your site's editor and create a new page. You can name it something simple like Advertise or Guest Post Submission. This page should include various sections that clearly outline what kinds of guest posts you accept and provide detailed submission guidelines. Also, ensure you include information on pricing and packages available to potential contributors, as well as highlight the benefits of posting on your site. Once you have your new page set up, go to the Pages and Menu section of the Wix editor to add this page to your website's menu, making it easily accessible to visitors. If your site uses a members area, it might be useful to configure its account settings to reflect access points for members looking to contribute. Next, let's talk about creating a new submission form. This form should gather key pieces of information such as the author's name, their email address, and any relevant website or social media links. You'll want a field for a proposed blog title and an option for the author to upload draft content, preferably in Word or PDF format. Don't forget to include a checkbox for terms and conditions, ensuring contributors understand your submission rules and content usage policies. Moving on to pricing, use Wix Stores to create a digital product, which could be something like guest post submission. Set a clear price for single posts or package options if you offer bulk rates. With automatic payment enabled, authors will be prompted to complete their purchase prior to having their submission reviewed. At this stage, it's also beneficial to write up a descriptive section in your product description, mentioning post length, the number of links allowed, and details on the approval process. To complete the payment setup, add a Buy Now or Submit Guest Post button on the form, linking it directly to the guest post product for seamless payment integration. Consider setting up a redirect that takes authors to the submission form after they've made their payment. Finally, before going live, test the entire process from a user's perspective. Ensure that payments can be made, the forms can be completed without hiccups, and that confirmation emails are dispatched appropriately. Review and adjust any sections as needed to guarantee a professional and satisfying user experience. Once you're confident everything is in place, go ahead and click on Publish to make your new guest post page visible on your site. Ensure that navigating through the page is intuitive for visitors who are planning to submit their content. Congratulations, you're all set to start selling guest posts on your Wix website.